In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your American Airlines flight credit online in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to aa.com using your browser. Log into your AAdvantage account, if you have one. Logging in helps track your credit. Step 2. Start booking your flight. Search for the flight you want to book, enter your destination, travel dates, and passenger details. Step 3. Go to Payment page. Once you choose your flight, continue to the Payment section. Step 4. Use flight credit. Under the payment options, look for Redeem Trip Credit or Flight Credit. Enter your flight credit details. This may include a 13-digit credit number you received by email. Step 5. Complete your booking. After entering your credit info, the balance will be applied. Pay any remaining amount with a card if needed. Confirm and book your flight. Note: if you receive the flight credit by canceling a trip, you should have an email with the credit number. Make sure to redeem it before the expiration date. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips and tutorials.